The Middle East is heating up like never before, and the United States just made a move that has everybody talking. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhritiyatri, and here's what happened. The United States recently revealed a jaw-dropping image of its aircraft and missiles near Yemen. These aren't any ordinary weapons that we are talking about. We are talking about FA-18E-F Super Hornets, and that too, they are loaded with very rare SLAM-ER missiles, AIM-9X, Sidewinders, and maybe, just maybe, AMRAAMs. Well, this is precision strike technology, and that too at the highest level. You know why this is shocking? This is shocking because the US is showing off military muscle that is close to Houthi-controlled area. It's not a random move. It's a warning shot, a clear message. We are watching, we are ready. Enter the task force Scorpion Strike here. Alongside these missiles, the US launched a new drone initiative called Task Force Scorpion Strike. The goal here is to overwhelm enemy defenses and control over the key areas. This is modern warfare, ladies and gentlemen, and that too at its most aggressive, combining manned jets with autonomous drones. Now, why Yemen? Yemen because Houthi forces have been increasing bold, launching attacks across the entire area, threatening the US interests and its allies as well. And here's the bigger picture. Israeli airstrikes in Syria and Lebanon are escalating the tensions here. The US is trying to adjust its strategy, making sure that it doesn't get caught off guard while the entire region spirals forward to a wider conflict here. So here's what it signals. Some analysts warn that this could mean the Houthis are joining the Syria war indirectly. The timing is suspicious. The US missiles and drone deployment, it coincides with increasing Israeli operations in Syria and Lebanon, suggesting a regional escalation that could involve multiple actors here. The US is desperate but very powerful. Rare missile deployment show America's advanced strike capability here. In fact, Task Force Scorpion Strike demonstrate a new level of drone warfare integration. Every move is being watched by allies and enemies alike. So here's the bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. This is not just about Yemen. It's about regional dominance, influence and control. The Houthis are being contained, but tensions are rising. Israel is escalating in Syria and Lebanon, and the US is adjusting military strategies in real time. Every missile, every drone, everything has a geopolitical implication far beyond Yemen here. Well, expect more deployment now. In fact, more drones, more potential clashes. The Middle East is a power keg, and the US's latest move is like throwing spark into a dry grass. In the end, the US just stepped up its game near Yemen, sending a bold signal to Houthis and wider Middle East. But with Israel ramping up the strikes and regional tensions soaring, the question is, could this ignite a wider conflict across Syria, Lebanon, or beyond?